Hello Internet, and on this occasion I've got that first 5-pin Brinks lock that I raked open. I'm going to see if I've managed to recover some of my raking skills by trying to rake this open. Oh! I wasn't expecting that to happen that quickly. Alright. I think that reinforces why this was the first lock I ever raked open. Let's try it again. Wonder if it was a fluke. Hmm. Alright. Rapid success followed by frustration. That has been the story of my recent picking anyway, so. As a post-move update, everything's more or less sorted and where I'm going to be keeping it for the foreseeable future. So as a result, I hopefully will be able to practice more consistently. So, until next time, subscribe if you want, and have a nice day.